come pack my son's work lunch with me. I've tried them, McDonald's. Green apple, nice. Anyway, facing's going in. A sausage roll. Straight in the bag. 2 wraps today. Wraps of choice are going to be chicken and mayo because basically gotta use them up. So 2 wraps going in. Chicken of choice is the long ones. Literally just whacking them in, guys. Whacking them in. Frankie's already had some, even though she's looking for some more. What you got? That's her bit done. That's that done. Couple of sprinkles in there. Shit to the mayo. Know the drill. Loads. What's everybody been doing today on this Sunday? God, it's gone colder, guys, isn't it? God, you notice the difference? We're blooming up. We went to waterfall country today. Basically, done by Glenwood. Beautiful, but cold. Beautiful though. Go in the bag, and these extras that I'm putting in today are fudge. Oh, no, I forgot something. Fridge raiders. There we go. I'm sure. Get your head up now. She's trying to pinch stuff. Cereal bar, cake bar, time out, Maryland biscuit, prawn cocktail favourite crisps, cheese, and a yogurt. That's what my son's having for his work lunch today. This is one break. Second break, he will probably go to the burger man, as he does. But he does work long hours. Oh, and a flavor water. Have a fantastic Sunday.